Hello friends, today we are going to see synthesis and uses of some polymers. In our syllabus, some synthesis and uses of some polymers are included. Out of these, first we are going to see synthesis of polyethylene, or it is also called as polythene. This polyethylene or polythene is a addition type polymer which is first produced in England in 1933. In this reaction, the monomer used is ethylene. The monomer used is ethylene, that is CH2 double bond CH2, which is obtained by hydrogenation of acetylene. Means here when this acetylene undergoes hydrogenation, then we can obtain here ethylene as a monomer, or it is also obtained by dehydrogenation of ethanol. Means suppose here if you consider here CH3 CH2 OH, this is an ethanol, and when it undergoes dehydrogenation, means when heating is carried out, water molecule is removed, means CH2, here one H from CH3 group and OH combined and water molecule is removed, and means here electrons are separated between CH2 and CH2. Here CH2 is formed, means ethene is formed, means dehydrogenation of ethanol as well as hydrogenation of acetylene, we can obtain here ethene as a monomer. And this ethene monomer undergoes polymerization by using two methods. First one is low density polyethylene, or it is also called as LDPE. Means the polymerization of ethene monomer can be carried out at low density. Means what happens in low density polyethylene? In this type, ethene is compressed under very high pressure and temperature. Means here ethene monomer is compressed or reacted at very high pressure, means 1.5 into 10 raised to 8 Newton per meter square. Means very high pressure is used, and also high temperature, means here near about 453 to 523 Kelvin temperature is used, and this reaction is catalyzed by oxygen as peroxides or hydrogen peroxides. Means here polymerization reaction is carried out in this way, that when ethene monomer undergoes polymerization in presence of oxide catalyst at very high pressure as well as high temperature, then we can obtain here CH2 here N, means it is an polythene polymer, and it is an ethene monomer. This LDP consists of branches, and formula weight of LDPE is ranges in between 50,000 to 3 lakh. Means its molecular weight is ranges or lies in between 50,000 to 3 lakh. It softens at low temperature, means near about 393 Kelvin, means it starts softens at 393 Kelvin. Then another one is, second one is high density polythene, or it is also called as HDPE, means high density polythene. It is prepared by Ziegler process, means high density polyethylene is prepared by Ziegler process. Here ethene is passed under pressure of inner solvent containing triethyl aluminum and titanium chloride catalyst. After polymerization, the catalyst is decomposed by adding dilute acid, and crystalline polymer is filtered off. And the simple polymerization reaction is when ethene monomer undergoes polymerization in presence of Ziegler catalyst, then we can obtain here CH2 and here N, and it is called as high density polyethylene. Here it is an linear polymer, means high density polyethylene is linear polymer and this low density polyethylene is branched polymer, and its molecular weight is ranges in between 50,000 to 3 lakh, means a molecular weight of both high density as well as low density polymer is same. Okay, then uses of polyethylene. It is chemically inert, means this polyethylene is chemically inert, tough, pliable over wide range of temperature, and it is also used without plasticizer or filler and can readily color. Next application is it is used to make many household article and particularly of bottles, toys, and it is also used as an electrical insulator because it is electrically very poor, and it is used in seats for packing and as a coating because it is easily rolled into thin films.